Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how you can make your face on your video looks like 3D cartoon only with the CapCut application. So first thing you have to do is just go open your CapCut application, and the next thing you need to do is just go open the project that you want to turn your face into the 3D cartoon. And the next you need to do is just go tap into this effects. And now there could be a lot of options here, but now you just need to visit your body effects. And the next, take a look on the sections. You just need to slide the sections into the left side a little bit, and got them into this roll here, and then just tap it. There could be several options right here, and one of them could be a cartoon face, so you just need to tap on this cartoon face. And then you just need to go click the checklist button and drag this to apply the whole effects into the whole video. And now you're done. So you already got this 3D cartoon effects on your video. Hopefully this tutorial is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and let's meet again into other tutorial.